Hi there. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to parse a website with the help of Python's Urllib module. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open so let's open Python terminal and import urllib.request. Now let's have a variable that will now this variable should hold google.com as URL. Now let's create two variables named as request and response. So first is req, let's name it short request1 equals to urllib dot request and then we are going to pass URL. Okay, so now URL is passed for request, and let's create variable named response. Name it urllib and then request, then URL open. We're going to pass it request1. So what this will do is it will call for that URL, and that URL will open, and then the data will be stored in the response. Okay, now we're gonna read response. Okay, so name it resp read, then response dot read. Okay, so I got it wrong here. I have forgot that one here. So resp read equals to resp1 dot read. Okay, so now let's try and print our response readed data. So when I print this one, it should give you entire HTML on the screen. So this screen should be a bit bigger. Let's make it a bit readable. Okay, can also make it this big. Okay, hit enter. You'll find that totally consumed my screen, and in order to navigate through this data I have to use regular expression and chop out the stuff that I need. So for example, it has particular element for button or text field or particular form, then we have to use regular expression to chop this data off and extract the data that we need from this. Okay, so this is how we get the data from any URL and parse it and print it, or use regular expression to chop it off. So I hope you know how to parse a website with the help of urllib request module. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and I will see you in the next tutorial.